Hello, David here. Welcome. I have another cherry wood piece here and going to call this a Genie Spirit. I'm starting off here with a kutzall extreme taper burr, using this burr to rough line out the carving. If you are new to power carving and looking for some carving burrs, kutzall are my go-tos. I am an affiliate with them, and if purchased through Kutzall's website and use code Cleve BW at checkout, you will save yourself 5%. So just rough shaping it here with the forehead, rounding it off, doing the bridge of the nose. Now here getting the bottom of the nose, feathering this sharp points away, making that nose pop out. Alright, so we're going a little bit deeper on the side here, feathering a little bit away. Alright, now getting the other side, doing the undercut of the eyebrows and the bridge of the nose. Just more rough cutting. Now let's go down around to the nostrils. Now let's outline the mustache. Just keep carving away. Doing across the bridge of the nose into the under the eyebrows. Getting the bottom of the eyeball. I'm gonna make some eyes on this guy. So marking in where the eyelid will be. This is all just rough cut with the kutzall taper burr. The extreme. Alright, shaping down the nose. Getting the other side of the eyebrows and the eyeball. Making sure it's looking equal on both sides. Having it symmetrical the best I can. So just roughing up a little bit more. Alright, so just keep on carving around. Well, this is my process for carving, roughing out the main areas of how I want the carving to look like. And then just little by little, changing burrs, getting into more detail. Now we turn into this metal cutting burr. I'm going to put in some deeper lines and really carve around the eyes. It's a great little cheap burr to use on harder woods. So I'm just rounding over the eye, giving it its shape, going around, feathering away a lot of my extreme kutzall cuts. I'm doing the top of the eyebrow here, giving that definition of that line where I want to be, and then carve it all out. Alright, so here we go so far on one side. Alright, got the other side down. I got the diamond, a pointy diamond burr. Give me some better fine details and getting into those tight areas. Give me some crisper lines. Smooth everything out. So I'm just shaping out the deep part of the eyeball. Giving it its underlid and the top lid. Doing some edge lines. That's how it's looking so far. I'm going to do the other side of the eye as well. I've got this Dremel plain burr, metal burr, carbide bit. Shaping more, rounding it over. Carving's all about taking away wood and shaping things up. Getting into that corner of the eyeball, rounding it over. Just hours and hours of carving. Cut down to this short little video here. Show you guys like a process of how you can get creative with your carvings. Here I'm trying to shape over the mustache. Have a nice little, how you call it, like curl of the mustache on this guy. He's gonna have, yeah, shaped around the nostrils a little bit better with this carbide flame burr. Smooth some stuff out a little bit, feather it back a little bit. Alright, here we go so far. I drew in some of my lines of what else I want to carve in. So I'm just going to get into those deep parts of the eyeball there. And round it up, shape it out, feather it away, smooth it. Get on those corners. I'm still working on my eyeballs, learning how to do that. I believe I'm getting better every carving with the eyeballs that I do. Sometimes I don't want to have eyeballs, but this guy I wanted to put some eyeballs in it. So now I'm working on the lip, shaping the lip out and separating from the mustache, and he's gonna have a little like pointy goatee. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut off the edge point of it. I went back to the kutzall extreme taper burr, and just right there, just cut that part off the corners, just like that. Alright, smooth it out, shape it, and this is how he is so far. Right now I got this small cylinder carbide bit, and putting in the lines for his detail of the hairs of his eyebrows. And here we are with the mustache. Get those line details. I like to do it this way. Gives it a cool real effect. Different layers of the hair and the mustache. I'm going to go and use this cone bit, this carbide cone bit, and carve out into his pupils. That nice point really helps shape that out right there. Alright, stick that carve right there in the hole. Do some lines here on the lip. Yep, there we go. Now let's do a little hand sanding. Probably went up to 220. I started at like 220 and went up to about 400. Alright, let's start the wood burning now. Got the TechShield Pro 2 wood burner. Burning in some of these eyebrow hairs and the eyeball, underlid, the mustache. So I have a video on this wood burner. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Extra detail with this wood burner. I'm going to paint this later on, but it'll give it that effect, the layers on the hair. Alright, so I just felt like putting some pre-stain on it, kind of seal it up a little bit, and now I'm going to go ahead and put some paint over it. And of course, for a genie, what genie isn't blue? Most genies, that I've seen are blue or purple. So I thought this nice light blue works out pretty good. I'm going to paint his face. Right, then I'm going to get that guy covered up pretty good. And with that pre-stain, kind of seals up the wood good, so I don't have to put too much layers of paint. Alright. So there we go. So I went in a little bit darker for the eyelids and the lips. A little darker blue. And now we got some black for his mustache, and he got his eyebrows painted already. Cool looking little genie guy. Look at all the areas, make sure you didn't miss any spots. lift it around, look at it all kinds of directions. Now we got the white paint and filling in the eyeballs. Just like that. Got his eyeballs painted white. And mix up a little green blue for his pupils. And this was going to be it for this video. And thank you guys for watching. Here he is, the Genie Spirit. So in the comments below, I want to ask you guys, Genie Spirit could give you guys one wish. What would that be? So in the comments below, let me know what your wish would be from your Spirit Genie. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. And of course, as always, I'll catch you later.